All right, good afternoon, Semper Fortis Jiu Jitsu family. Want to give you an update on the school's schedule. Right now, um, we are closed. This is Wednesday. No, I'm sorry, Tuesday afternoon. Um, but we're going to be closed. I think at the earliest we might be able to reopen Friday. When I look at the weather forecast, it is we got expected snow and ice, um, more storms tonight coming in. Um, the weather is freezing. So what's the problem is as it melts, the roads are just ice sheets. And I know I meet people who are from northern states, and they're like, like we drive in the snow all the time. I don't know why you Texans are having this problem. And what the problem is that Texas does not have the infrastructure to support this type of storm. And this is like in all the time I've been in Texas, we've never had a storm like this. It's like, I don't want to say storm of the century, but like this is one of the worst storms Texas has ever been hit with. So it's not, we don't have the snow plows to clear the road. We don't have the ice and the sand needed to prevent ice from accumulating on the road. And so the roads are incredibly dangerous right now. So, and then in addition, our energy, CPS Energy, is having rolling blackouts. So the last word we got from CPS Energy is our school is still without power. And there's not a return power time, that I can even give you. So right now we don't even have power at the school. So there's no way I can reopen the school anytime soon. So what my current plan is I'm hoping the weather improves a little bit to where we can open up Friday. But what that means to you is that we are going to be closed Wednesday, all day Wednesday and all day Thursday for sure. Which, let me see, today's date is what, the 16th? So that means Wednesday the 17th and Thursday the 18th. Semper Fortis Jiu Jitsu will be closed. And then, like Thursday, I'll come out with a new word, if the roads appear safer, and if we even have electricity. Because right now I have two families staying with us from the school because their homes don't have electricity. And our home here in Universal City has been very fortunate where we do have electricity and running water right now. So, if any of you in our Semper Fortis family is without electricity, you're cold, you're without water, you can come stay with me. And because we're going to be family in good times and bad times. So if you're cold at home right now, if you need water because your pipes are busted and you're without electricity, hit me up. You guys got my number. We will ensure that you stay warm. And like I said, we can't reopen until the roads are safe. And also, it can't reopen until I got electricity in the school. I'm imagining right now it's an ice box, but the roads aren't safe enough for me to drive there to even, see, what the status of the school is. But the last word I got from CPS Energy is that there is no power going to our school right now. It's part of the rolling blackout. We are without power. And our students that live around the school are without power. So it's a very difficult situation, but it's a situation that this storm will pass, just like all storms pass, and we'll get back to life, and we'll get back to some sense of normalcy, although that seems strange after the year 2020 and the way 2021 has started. It's like, will things get back to normal? Yes, they will get back to normal. Life will go on, and it's all going to be good. So stay warm, stay safe. Repeat what the governor of Texas and also the mayor of San Antonio have repeatedly said, which is stay off the roads if you don't absolutely have to be out, because it's just not safe. And a lot of people are getting hurt on the roads trying to get from point A to point B, and it's just a bad situation. It's a very unsafe situation. And like I said, Texas does not have the infrastructure, to support a storm like this. Where like, like I got family that lives in Illinois and Iowa, and they get much more snow, and it's much colder than what we're experiencing here in Texas. But I can tell you, in all the years I've lived in Texas, like you can look at my backyard, like we've never had standing snow. Like this, I think once, like where we had like just a light sheet of snow, and then the next day it was sort of gone. And then we've had some ice problems, but we've never had like this. Snow's been here since I want to say Sunday, and the roads are terrible. There, matter of fact, a number of roads here in San Antonio, the police department and the county sheriffs, they've just closed them, because they're so unsafe for traffic. So that's the situation we're in. It's not the end of the world, but it's a tough situation. And like I said, if you're part of my you're a friend, you're a part of my Semper Fortis family, if you need water, you need food, you need anything, call me, and we will help you. Whatever we got to do, we will group together, and we'll get through this together. Don't stay home and freeze, and don't go hungry, or don't go without water. We will make a way. All right. So thanks again. I look forward to seeing you soon. And so the current plan is we are going to be closed tomorrow, which is all day Wednesday. We will be closed all day Thursday, and the earliest we may open will be Friday. But when I look at the weather forecast, for sure, we can't open Wednesday or Thursday. And Friday may just be a pipe dream, because the weather is just, it's not going to really get warm until this weekend. But I think we may be able to open Friday if we have electricity at the school, and if the roads are deemed safe enough for us to travel to and from. So, all right. Thanks again. Stick with it, and be safe. And I look forward to seeing you soon. All right. Ciao.